Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Exness trading account directly to TradingView, so you can trade straight from your charts. If you love TradingView's clean interface and want faster, smarter execution, this is going to help you a lot. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you already have an Exness trading account created. You can use either an Mount 4 or Mount 5 account, both can be linked. If you don't have one yet, just create it in your Exness personal area. Once the account is created, take note of your login number, server name, and trading password. You'll need those to connect. Next, make sure your account is funded so you're actually able to place trades. Exness supports a bunch of deposit methods: Visa and MasterCard, Skrill, Nettler, Perfect Money, crypto like USDT or Bitcoin, or even local bank transfer depending on your region. Most deposits are instant, and the minimum deposit is usually around $10, and Exness doesn't charge deposit fees, which is awesome. Once your account is ready, open your browser and go to TradingView.com. Log in or create a free account. Yes, a free TradingView account works perfectly fine. You don't need a paid subscription to connect Exness. Now, choose any trading chart, for example EUR, USD, XAU, USD, or Bitcoin, whatever you trade. Look along the bottom of the screen and click the tab that says Trading Panel. This is where you'll see all supported brokers. Look for Exness in the list and click on it. Now, hit Connect.TradingView will ask you to log in using your Exness trading account credentials. That means the Mount 4 or MT5 login number, the password, and select the correct server. So if your account is Exness MT5 Real or Exness MT4 Trial, choose the exact one. Once you enter those correctly, boom, your Exness account is now officially linked to TradingView. This means you can now open and close trades directly from the chart. No switching apps, no extra platforms, everything is in one place. Let's place a trade to show how it works. Pick the pair you want to trade. Do your chart analysis like usual, draw your zones, add your indicators, whatever your strategy is. Then look to the right side of the screen and choose buy or sell. Set your lot size, stop loss, and take profit levels. When everything looks good, confirm the trade. Your active trade will now appear at the bottom of TradingView, and it updates in real time with your Exness account. How awesome is that? And that's it. You just connected Exness to TradingView and placed your first trade directly from the charts. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a tutorial on how to set up smart alerts and auto trade setups on TradingView. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.